Okay, we're at the time building. Gotta look at the weather out there and look at us. Yeah, glass is all wet and everything. But anyways, there's a pretty neat elevator in here we're gonna check out. I'm gonna enter the code off camera. And in we go. My shoes are completely filled with water. It's awful outside. One of you guys like to push the button?
Sure. Oh, wait.
Go ahead.
It says call. I'll call the elevator.
Yeah, it's one of those old style ones. Back when the buttons used to say call. And it has a bumper and a door that wants to close up on you. Somebody circled 2 up there. Let's turn off that fan so you can hear the motor. There's a look on the phone while we wait for it to die down. Well, here we go. Very nice. Let's see if we can get a view out here. Well, there's a window, but it's kind of filled with rain droplets. Just a nasty day in Norfolk. Look at these guys, they talked into going along with me. But it's a pretty elevator. I think if, we're making the floor all wet. Whoa. I don't see a brand name anywhere. Do you guys see one? Classical leveling. Cool. And re-leveling. Alright, let's just check out the mezzanine level just to see what that looks like. Actually, it's nothing but stairs. And I guess one office here. Alright, you guys take it down to 1. I want to see the call button light up. There we go. Clunk. See up here, 1 works. In the cab itself, 1 was burned out. I was just checking out the in use light. I can show you in the lobby in just a second if you're interested. See if it relevels again. It does. I just send it up a floor. We're gonna go ahead and end down here. Go ahead, just push any button now. 2, good choice. My bad. Now if you push that button, you can see it light up. Go ahead. Sweet. take a look at the directory. I like the vintage sign up there too. And I think that's about it, guys. What'd y'all think?
I thought that was a quality elevator.
Yep.
Very good.